some of y'all don't. You want to know what it's called? It's called yes, 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 yes. Now some of y'all can't remember shit if you ain't got words. So we're going to give y'all some words to remember this by. It goes work, beat, fierce, sound, 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 work, beat, fierce, sound. Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Ding, 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 ding. Stop! I lost my contact. Found it. Well, I hope you guys like that little tutorial on how to do it. Uh-oh. Look at Kiki. She caught the yes. Look at her go. All right, slow down, bitch. That's enough. Slow down, girl. You starting to yes too hard, girl. Slow down, bitch. She's done this before. She'll yes to death. You're going to hurt yourself. Someone call a fireman. She's on fire. Stop. Kiki, stop. You're yesing too hard. Kiki, stop. Stop. No! My friend just died from yesing too hard. I have to believe in the yes. The yes can cure everything. People, I need you with me right now. I need you to yes with me. We're going to save Kiki. Can you do that? All my bitches come out. Where are you, bitches? Do you guys believe in the yes? Do you believe in the yes? We're going to yes so hard. We're going to bring Kiki back. Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Damn! Keep going! It's working! Yes! 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 Oh my God! Kiki, I'm so glad you're alive! I don't know what I would have done without you. I love you! Oh, I love you too! Well, since you're here, I want you to have something. If you should take it. Keep going, girl. Uh-oh. Oh, no. That's called yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes.